So today our topic is organization of principle of management. In this video we will discuss its definition, characteristics, some differences between traditional organization and new organization, what are organization changing. Definitions. An organization is a deliberate arrangement of a people to accomplish some specific purpose. An organized group of people with a particular purpose, such as business or government department. Organizing consists of grouping people and assigning activities so that job tasks and the mission of a business can be properly carried out. Some examples: your college or university is an organization, government department, churches, Amazon.com. These are all organizations because they all share three common characteristics. What are these three? First one is distinct purpose, second one is people, and third one is deliberate structure. Distinct purpose. This purpose is typically expressed in terms of goal or a set of goals that the organization hopes to accomplish. People. Each organization is composed of people. One person working alone is not an organization. It takes people to perform the work that's necessary for the organization to achieve its goals. Deliberate structure. It may be a simple network of loose relationships, or the structure may be more traditional with clearly defined rules, regulations, and job descriptions. And some members may be identified as bosses who have authority over other members. But no matter what type of structures arrangement an organization uses, it does require some deliberate structures so members' work relationships are clarified. In summary, the term organization refers to an entity that has distinct purpose, includes people or members, and has some type of deliberate structure. Just how is the concept of an organization changing? Although these three characteristics are important to our definition of what an organization is, the concept of an organization is changing. It's no longer appreciated to assume that all organizations are going to be structured like Procter and Gamble, ExxonMobil, or General Motors with clearly identifiable division, departments, and works units. Some differences between traditional organization and new organizations. What can be the differences? Traditional organizations were stable, new organizations dynamic. Traditional organizations inflexible. They were inflexible, but the new organizations are flexible. Traditional organizations based on job focused, but new organizations based on skills focused. Work is defined by job positions, but in a new organization, work is defined in terms of tasks to be done. Traditional in organizations individual oriented. Newer organizations are team oriented. What comes in traditional organizations, that is permanent jobs. In new organizations, jobs are temporary. Traditional organizations, the jobs were permanent, but in a new organization, the jobs are temporary. Traditional organization command oriented, but the new organizations are involvement in oriented. Managers always make decisions in traditional environment, but in a new organizations, employees participate in decision making. Traditional organizations were rule oriented, but the new organizations are customer oriented. Traditional organization relatively homogeneously workplace, but that new organization diverse workplace. Workday defined as 9 to 5, a workday have no time boundaries. Hierarchical relationships, literal and network relationships. In traditional organization, work at organizational facility during specific hours. Work anywhere, anytime in a new organization. Why are organizations changing? Because the world around them has changed and is continuing to change. Social, economic, global, and technological changes have created an environment in which successful organizations must embrace new ways of getting work done. Examples of how the world is changing include the increased dependence on e-business models and approaches, continuing spread of information technology and its impact on workplace, increasing globalizations and changing employees' expectations. Even though the concept of organization may be changing, managers and management continue to be important to organization. Thank you.